Hey gang, I was just getting cranked up, ready to start making some more videos in here, and I thought I would come at you with some groundbreaking news. Are you ready for this? Okay, this is good stuff. Y'all know what a Newton meter is, right? For work, this guy named Joule, Joule guy, I don't know who Joule is. He comes along and says, hey, it's not Newton meters. That's a Joule, capital J. And then there's the energy guy that comes along and he says, hey, my name is Henry, so I'm going to call some units Henrys. That's a unit. So there's one unit that's not taken, and that's America, cheeseburgers and bald eagles, the good old foot pound, or pound feet. But from now on, the foot pound is going to be known as Hansen's, okay? That's right. I'm claiming it. That guy claimed that. I'm claiming this. And here we go. I can't call it an H for Hansen because there's always a Hansen. I can't call it a J for Jules. So from now on, that right there, when you see that, that's a Hansen, okay? That's interchangeable for foot pounds when you're using America Freedom units, right? Okay. So, and if you have 1,000 Hansens, what do you got? You got yourself good old-fashioned kill a Hansen, okay? So I need the word to get out to the whole entire world. I'm claiming it. It wasn't claimed before. It's mine, okay? Call the academy. Tell them to put it in. Kill a Hansens, okay? All professors should be accepting this on all tests now, and so that's just a, word out there. So that's a silly introduction. Y'all tell all your professors that those are Hansens now, okay? But on a serious note, I wanted to tell y'all this. For those of you who have joined me on Patreon on my fight against this dadgum kidney disease and trying to get a new kidney. This summer, my cousin, please, is going in on March the 24th. His 11 appointments. I'm praying that he's a match and that we get to be able to schedule that and get that done so I can start to feel better because I feel like real poop right now, okay? But for those of you, I can't teach this summer. I got this surgery. I got to live in Fort Worth, which is 5 hours away from me. I've got to live there all summer because you have to be close as they regulate that rejection medication. So you have to be there on time. And so I'm going to have a real financial need this summer because I'm not working and I'm going to be broke. This is the first summer in 18 years I haven't taught class because I have to do this. And so a lot of you have stepped up on Patreon and said, we got your back, okay? And if you haven't, I'm asking you for $5. I mean, just a tiny, tiny thing. But a bunch of you have, and I love you for it, and I thank you. I can't thank you enough. But you guys are just saying, hey, you go get better. We got your back in the meantime. You had us I've been doing this since 2014. So 12 years, and I haven't asked for a penny. But I kind of need some help right now. And you guys have just come to the rescue. And so hopefully to get this new kidney here, 1st of May is what I'm hoping that this goes through here with my cousin. I hope he's a match. There's 100 people in line, y'all. My angels have been working overtime. And every single need that I've had has just been met. And you guys continue to amaze me with just the support that you give me every day. And I love you for it. And so I'm going to leave you with that. But don't forget, support Hansens, okay? Foot pounds are now Hansens, okay? Get the word out. Thank you for your support. Everybody that supported me, thank you. I love you. I just can't even tell you what this means to me to have the support I needed. When I needed it, y'all were there for me, and I appreciate it so much. I'm going to leave a link for those of you who still want to sign up to help me. We're talking about we're talking about like $50,000 of money that it's going to cost me to get this done that I kind of don't have. So anyway, if you want to make a bunch of money, be a school teacher. That's a great idea. So anyway, thanks for the help. Love you. I got to get back to making dynamics videos, and I'll see you on the next video.